Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to BrandStack for creative asset tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. Type in the BrandStack website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. You will see a form that requires you to fill in your basic information. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and input it in the password section. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy links, usually presented during the sign-up process. Check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. After registration, check your email for a confirmation message from BrandStack. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Now, return to the BrandStack website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the user dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the subscription plans option, typically listed in the main menu. Click on the subscription plans link to explore the available options. Review the features included in each plan to determine which best suits your needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Select Plan button. Fill out any necessary billing information required for the subscription. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. Now you can access the creative asset tracking features within BrandStack. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available to track your assets effectively. Explore additional resources or tutorials provided by BrandStack to maximize your usage. Your journey with BrandStack for creative asset tracking is now set to begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.